What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. This is a pretty new sneaker. It's the Air Jordan 1 Bred, reverse Bred low. Fortunately, this is a profitable sneaker in this size. Air Jordan, great colorway. Black, red, white. Can't really go wrong. Wings logo at the back. Jordan logo on the tongue. Pretty nice shoe. Gonna throw them on foot here. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. If you're looking for a pair and you can't find one, I'm almost certain you can click on the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description and buy yourself a pair. Let's check them out. Now, if you're wondering, this is nudie denim. It looks incredible with sneakers, especially in the lean jean fit. There's an Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description to get yourself a pair of this denim. And like, you gotta admit, it looks incredible with these sneakers on. So if I were you, I'd probably buy both the sneakers and the denim. Air Jordan 1 Low Bred. Awesome pair of sneakers. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Goodbye.